Hello, today we would like to demonstrate how you can create the Telegram account, or to put it in other words, to sign up for Telegram. So first of all, you want to open up the app itself. Here, tap on the start messaging button, choose the country that your phone number belongs to. Next, you want to, enter the phone number that you are going to use. Confirm that the number that you have just typed in is correct. Wait for the SMS confirmation message. Now you want to enter the first and last name that you would like to use alongside along with your Telegram account. So I'll just simply type in HardReset.Info. The last name is optional, so I'll just simply skip it. Accept the terms of service. And now, as you can see, that will ultimately mean that you have successfully signed up for a Telegram account. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.